9-ball, how to play. This game uses the general rules for pocket billiards except for these changes. Check out my video for any clarification. The object of 9-ball is to be the first player to legally pocket the 9-ball over several games in a match. Rack the balls 1 through 9 in a diamond-shaped rack. Put the 1 ball on the foot spot and the 9-ball in the middle. The game begins with the cue ball in hand behind the headstring. On the break, the breaker must strike the 1 ball first and either pocket a ball or drive at least 4 numbered balls to the rail. If the cue ball is pocketed or driven off the table, or the requirements of the opening break are not met, it is a foul and the incoming player has cue ball in hand anywhere on the table. If, on the break shot, the breaker causes an object ball to jump off the table, it is a foul and the object ball is not respotted unless it is the 9-ball. If the breaker pockets 1 or more balls on a legal break, he continues to shoot until he misses, fouls, or wins the game. If the player misses or fouls, the other player begins an inning and shoots until missing, committing a foul, or winning. Shots are not called. On each shot, the first ball the cue ball must contact must be the lowest numbered ball on the table, but the balls do not need to be pocketed in sequential order. If a player pockets any ball on a legal shot, he remains at the table for another shot. After a miss, the incoming player must shoot from the position left by the previous player. But after any foul, the incoming player may start with the cue ball in hand anywhere on the table. A game ends when a player pockets the 9-ball, and a match ends when one of the players has won the required number of games. If the first object ball contacted by the cue ball is not the lowest numbered ball on the table, the shot is a foul. If no object ball is pocketed, failure to drive the cue ball or any numbered ball to a rail after the cue ball contacts the object ball is a foul. When a player commits a foul, he must relinquish his run at the table and no balls pocketed on the foul shot are respotted, unless it is the 9-ball. If a player commits several fouls on one shot, they are counted only as one foul. If a player fouls 3 consecutive times on 3 successive shots without making an intervening legal shot, the game is lost. The 3 fouls must occur in the same game, and a warning must be given between the second and third fouls. The game ends at the end of a legal shot which pockets the 9-ball, or when a player forfeits the game as the result of a foul. Re-rack and play again until one player achieves the needed wins to win the match.